this is gonna be part 3, as you've seen in the thumbnail. We're on the way to work. First off, I had to stop and get some thread lock, or other known as seal lock, right? Yeah, I think so. The Mopar version is seal lock. So what I need to do is stop at Harbor Freight and get their best impact ratchet, because what I have is just ain't cutting it anymore. I tried to just use extensions with the 1.5, but that shit was just so bulky. I got it off. Obviously, you've seen in the last video if you are following along. If not, go back. There's a part 1 and 2. So yeah, I grabbed that that thread lock because I noticed that there was a lock on the shaft. It was actually tough as shit, and I just thought it was so tight, but I didn't do my research enough to realize that there was actually thread lock on it, or seal lock, or whatever the fuck Mopar calls it. So I just got the equivalent of that at Advanced Auto. So next in the sequence, what we have to get done is going to be throwing the new diff in. So that'll be the first thing we do when we get to the shop, is throw the new diff in, and then we'll get the drive shaft. We'll get the drive shaft on and fastened with the seal lock. It's an hour cure time, but an hour set time, 24-hour cure time. So even if I got it done today, I still couldn't drive it. So after that, we're gonna put the axles back, and then we have to torque everything down to spec. I have all the torque pounds and all that already written down for myself. So then after that, we get to put the wheels on. But like I said, it won't be in this video where I am able to drive the car, which sucks. But with that being said, I'm about 2 seconds away from Harbor Freight, so let me hop in here. Let me grab one of these either ratchets or impact guns, whatever I think will do the job, and we'll get back to the shop. So this is why I couldn't just switch the axles into mine. That's not fitting. That is not fitting. Like, not even close. So that's why you can't just switch the axles, you have to switch the diff as well. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in part 4. Peace.
Thank you.